Ooh, there's not a whole lot of dust in here. Wow. It has that clamp right there that actually holds that thing on there. On the newer ones, it's just loose on the neck of the tube. The plastic is nice and thick. It's as good as the 84 Magnavox. But the 84 Magnavox is a bit shiny. This isn't. But who cares? Can't beat watching old TV shows on an RF-only TV, seeing all that noise. Freaking love it.
Guys, are we stopping for lunch already? Not quite, Murray.
It actually doesn't sound awful. Era appropriate. Trinitron. Perry Mason looks weird at 60 FPS. Anyway, gotta take the back off the set again. It's not blue enough. There we go, that's a lot better. Put the back on the set now. I enjoy using the set. I'm gonna keep it until March maybe. Unless I get something big and epic. I'll be keeping this one. This looks pretty good. Nice scan lines. See the convergence now. It's off in every corner. Classic. This tube's so bright, gotta turn the ISO down to 220. It's actually pretty good in that corner. Looks good. This looks good on any TV, really. And here's the computer. Using the Starfield simulation, almost called it a wallpaper, screensaver. Man, this looks good on the set. It's a sharp tube. This looks so good on here. We're good. You're done doing your work on the board and discharge it again. I'll show that.
I think the reason why the blues is around is because it's an ongoing thing. I mean, it's as long as people are living, there will be songs to be sung about how people are living,
And that guy, they didn't credit him. Don't know why. Rip. It is November 4th, and the Magnavox has been out here since we got the next 25-inch Magnavox, the one that looks like my childhood TV. And that's how long this has been outside.